There's no way, bro. Oh, no, bro. The G's totaled. This doesn't feel real.
Sometimes, life can hit you in the face when you least expect it. And yeah, it hurts. And there's nothing you can do about it. Wrong. When life puts you down, don't let it get back up. Put life right back in its place. Never give up on your goals and dreams. Before something's created, something must be destroyed.
Oh my goodness. This is crazy. I'm speechless, and it's also really hot outside, but it's okay because I have this now. And yeah, I officially present to you guys the new and improved V2 G37, or what I like to call the Unigorn. Little backstory on the name. It's kind of like a three-way combo. It's a Ken Block tribute, you know, like the Unicorn. I took the Unicorn and the Unicorn, put those together with the color, and then I added my twist. Since it's a G37, added the G, so it turns out the Unigorn. So that's kind of the theme. Past 2 months has definitely tested my patience and my mental state for sure. Not really sure how I made it through, but all that matters is I'm here, and everything was definitely worth the wait. Everything happens for a reason. This car was taken from me just out of nowhere. I couldn't do anything about it. There wasn't anything I could do. Freaking out wasn't necessary because I wasn't gonna bring the car back. But luckily it was fixable. I had a lot of work done. You'll see in the little documentary here in a second. We did get the whole front end restored, and the car is fully fixed and drivable now. There's still a couple little tweaks and stuff that I gotta do, like adjusting the hood, for example. From the bottom of my heart, I do want to give a huge thanks to Amir at Zuri Customs and Collisions. He's the one who helped me do the main rebuild process on this car. He took in all the body parts that I brought in. He pulled the frame, aligned everything perfectly. Also want to give a huge thank you to John at Matter of Wrap for doing this crazy wrap job on this car. It was definitely time consuming. Sincerely from the bottom of my heart, I do want to thank you guys so much. And thank you guys for tuning in today. Excited to see where this road takes me, some new opportunities in life. Without further ado, let's get into the rebuild process of the G37.
Today is officially the first day on recovering the G37. We're going to be getting some parts off of the G. Insurance did come yesterday and officially totaled the car. The evaluator said it is a complete loss. At least they think it is. I'm going to be fixing the G, obviously, buying it back from the insurance. Not sure how much I'm getting or how much that's going to be to buy it back, but it's going to happen regardless. First things first, on this journey, we got to go and take off some of the parts off of the car, including the bumper, headlights, and the hood. I'm going to be selling some of the parts, obviously replacing them with new ones. All right, we officially made it to the shop where my G37 is at. I'm going to grab some tools real quick so I can start taking the hood, bumper, and headlights off. All right, guys, this is the G37. We already got the fender taken off. As you can see, there is frame damage. This part is not, it's supposed to be more like straight right here. So this is meant to, we got to get the frame pulled. This piece is broken right here. I got to get a new one of these. Crash bar pushed in the intakes. I'm going to replace the intakes anyways, whether they're damaged or not. Besides that, the bumper, the headlight, one of them is cracked, as you can see right here. The bumper I'm selling as well, it's mainly just paint. There's this little tiny hole that you can get plastic welded back, super easy fix, but I'm trying to get something different. Main reason they totaled this car, as you can see, both airbags did deploy in the steering wheel and the dashboard, so we got to get a new airbag. I'm going to patch up the dash. I'm not going to replace it. I'm going to do a suede overlay on the dashboard. I also did sell my chrome wheels, and I'm running with these stock G37 wheels temporarily. Oh, I almost forgot the carbon hood. The clear coat's cracked. I don't think the actual carbon's damaged or not. We're gonna take this, the headlights, and the bumper. All right, I just got home. I already have all the parts sold. Everyone's prepaid for them. I just got home. I'm gonna be trading some wheels with one of my G37 buddies, Nathan. He wants to take my stocks. He has some RPF ones he's gonna give me. I'm giving him a little money on top. Alrighty, I'm excited to see what these look like on that. All right, Nathan, here's the first one. Okay, I got the first wheel on. These look sick. The only thing I'm worried about is the fitment. My back fenders are rolled.
I'm hoping with my coilovers I have enough camber where I can clear this. All right. No way, my car is the perfect ride height for that. No way, hold on. I guess I had the 19, so that makes sense. Yeah. I'm so sweaty. Look how shiny I am right now. Damn, that couldn't have been anywhere perfect. What the hell? Hold up.
God damn.
Okay, I am drenched, but we have the RPF ones on the car. These honestly look so cool. I'm actually very glad I have these now. I've always kind of wanted RPF ones, but never got like the gut feeling to actually go and buy them. But now I regret not doing that in the past. Well, some unfortunate news. I did hear back from the insurance this morning. They're going to be totaling the G37 for $11,018, which is not a price that I was hoping to hear. After buyback, I'm getting a total of $7,558, and I'm hopefully going to be getting some reimbursement for a rental car. Okay, just a quick update. Today we have officially finalized the claim, and the money is going to be sent to me hopefully within the next couple of days. Unfortunately, I tried haggling, even though they said it wasn't able to, and again, it wasn't able to, but that's okay. We should have enough money to play with. The hood and the bumper that I want to get here locally will be available, so all I got to do is pick that up whenever I get the money in. All I have to do now is play a waiting game, probably going to be next week. Today's Friday, so probably going to be till Tuesday to Thursday before I actually receive the money, and we can start collecting parts and fixing up the G37. It is finally Monday, and it is time to get my check from the insurance. I'm super excited. I've been waiting for so long. The final price we are getting is $7,900 and something. I forgot the exact price. All right, I have picked up my checks from the insurance office. $7,580, that's for the actual car. And then we have a rental, $390. So in total, I believe it's like $7,900 something. I don't know. Today's gonna be filled with adventures. I do need to go by the bank and go deposit those 2 checks and start going and getting my parts. I just rented a U-Haul. I'm in like an actual like box truck right now. Even though I could rent one of these, but here we go. Okay, well I was on my way to go pick up the core support and as well as the hood and bumper, but they ran out of hoods, but they said they're getting more on Wednesday. So I just gotta wait 2 days and then I can go pick up the hood. But for now, we're gonna get the bumper, the core support, possibly the fender. Driving a box truck is very crazy because they asked for a credit card for a pickup truck, but I can rent a U-Haul box truck with a debit card, which makes no sense. I feel like it should be the other way around. All right, I picked up my core support. I also got a front crash bar and a couple other goodies for the hood, like the latches and stuff, because I know I need that. We're gonna go pick up the front bumper and drop everything off at the shop and continue with the hood on Wednesday. All right, we are here picking up the Liberty Walk front bumper and lip for the G37. It's already primered, so it's ready to get wrapped as soon as we slap it on the car. I just tried to put my 306 key in this bitch, what the fuck? Final stop of the day, we stopped at Nissan Unlimited and picked ourselves up an airbag for the steering wheel. I'm gonna drop off these parts at my house once I get my hood and everything else. Then I'm gonna take all my parts to the shop and we can start throwing them on the car. I did take the Liberty Walk bumper out of the package. Y'all don't even understand how insane this bumper looks. I put them a little together. They're not bolted up yet, obviously, but I gotta get it re-primered in black because it is already sanded and primered and it did come with all the holes and everything. I'm still gonna keep those packaged so they're not damaged until I put them on the car. It is Thursday and it is time to go pick up the carbon fiber hood. I'm not renting a U-Haul again because that. I got a friend coming in a truck. We're gonna go pick it up and also gather all the parts that we have so far. I did get a IPO rear bumper. It is brand new OEM from Z1 Motorsports. I still need to get the sensors for the back. Okay, we're getting the taco truck loaded up with everything. Supposed to fit a carbon fiber hood with this. I'm not sure how we're gonna do that, but we're gonna figure it out. All right, we're in the taco truck and oh, I'm so scared. Yeah, we also got our own Ejectocito cup. We're back at Performance Speed Shop to pick up the hood. This is where we picked up the Liberty Walk front bumper. What the hell is this? We officially have the carbon fiber hood. This is probably my favorite thing I'm doing to the G while fixing it up. This has been a goal since before the G even had the wreck. I was literally buying this and then had to return it because the wreck happened. But we're buying it again. Yo, this is crazy, what the heck? Okay, somehow we managed to get the hood and everything else with it without damaging anything. We have everything placed down. We're gonna go ahead and set the carbon fiber hood to the side. Make sure it doesn't get broken or anything. Not wait to see this on the G37. This is so crazy. Dude, this is... All right, we are back at the shop. It is the next day. I'm waiting for my buddy Chris to come by. I have officially put my muffler back on. We had to take it off because on the tow truck, when the accident did happen, we didn't want it to get all scraped up, even though it already did. I want to hear my car because I haven't heard it in so long, so let's get a nice little cold start. Woo! That felt good. All right, my buddy Chris just pulled up. We're gonna go ahead and try to do this dash. Okay, I can't really film in the shop because they're blasting music in there and I don't want to get copyrighted. So I'm just gonna kind of overlay this section with a couple clips. So we're in the middle of taking the dash off. We're about to get it pulled off, everything. I noticed my steering wheel was kind of flimsy. We found out why. There are these like little bracket things that kind of, I guess, came off when the collision happened. I think maybe they're like supposed to come off whenever the airbag goes up. I'm not sure. Anyways, we're gonna get it aligned and put it back off anyways. All right, we officially have the dashboard off of the G37. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and take it over to the shop next door, and hopefully by maybe Monday or Tuesday, we're gonna have it back. It'll be fully suede and it'll be fully patched up and everything. So yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing how this thing looks. Right in front of me is the wrap material. It had just came in today. Y'all don't understand. I did get 2 rolls of wrap because chrome is hard, and if you mess up, you have to redo the whole piece. We're getting so close, guys. Y'all have no idea the feeling going through my head. The dash is taking a little longer than expected. I just checked in with the guy who is fixing it and doing the suede overlay on it. It'll be done tomorrow, but the car is officially done, well, for the most part. In front of me right now, we have the G37. We have the Liberty Walk front bumper. We have the hood about to be put on. We have the fender. Everything's already on the headlights. All the gaps are like, it looks like it was never even in a wreck. This is like, I'm like mind blown right now. All we have to do is put the dash in whenever it is done. I probably still won't be taking the car today, only because with the dash off, it is not very the safest decision to drive it. Okay, we put the hood on. Oh my God, this isn't on all the way. This is just like laid on top, just like a general idea of what it looks like. Tomorrow when I pick up the car, it'll be all attached up and everything, but it's not gonna have all these gappage like that. But like, they're finishing up the dash. While they do the finishing touches, we're gonna go ahead and put the IPO rear bumper on the G37. There's little gaps and kind of like align the hood a little more straight, but the hood is on. It's all bolted up. It just needs to be aligned straight because there's a little gappage on the right side. And just like that, we have the IPO rear bumper on the G37. Once again, returning to this look. Definitely glad I switched back to this because, yes. This is a current dash, and I'm gonna try to do this, all right? Ready? 3, 2, and there you have it. The suede dash is fully in the G37. We haven't put in the Tesla screen yet. We're gonna go home and do that. Again, that's gonna be in another video that I will link down in the description. Don't watch it yet, finish this video first. I am like beyond happy right now. I got to drive my car after like 2 months and it was so nice. My alignment's not even like knocked at all. Like it drove perfectly straight, no wobble, no nothing. So that's kind of cool. I just did a full detail on the car. As you can probably tell, it's a lot cleaner now. And it's nice and shiny and black. I did a full detail on the inside as well. So everything's all wiped down with leather conditioner and the back seat as well. Not sure what time yet, but John does want me to drop off the G37 to his house tomorrow so we can begin wrapping. And yeah, probably take about 2 weeks and we'll get it back and it'll be fully done. All right, we're about to go take the wrapping material and the G and drop it off to John so we can start wrapping it. Also forgot, I did install the Tesla screen. This thing is freaking sick. But you'll see that in the other video. Just finish this one first. The G will be taken by John for the next 2 weeks. Yeah, this is gonna be definitely a new one for him.
I mean, I know if I could do this, then that expands my prices.
He did great with my G35 on both wraps. He did freaking phenomenal. I don't even know how he does it so well, to be honest, but you know, here I am. All right, I will see you in 2 weeks, John.
See you in 2 weeks.
Have fun.
2 weeks later.
We're picking up the G37. I'm actually kind of shaking right now.
A lot of you guys also might be wondering how I go about re-registering the vehicle after it was totaled. I'm not actually quite sure 100% on that. I know a gist of it. I gotta go ahead and inspection done, make sure it's legally drivable, so I can get it re-registered. I need to get a new title though, that's the issue. We just pulled up and I'm not even ready for this, to be honest. We'll just go home. Just gonna go home, we'll come back another day. The sun is not yet setting, but about to set. Oh, there goes Chris pulling up last minute. He worked on the G a little before, so I feel like he deserves to see it.
We're gonna work it.
Yeah, just park right here. All right, Mr. John. Long process.
Yeah, long process, but it'll be well worth it.
Oh my, bro. That shit looks like a supercar. Bro, oh my god, no way.
I went in there with no experience, but I understand the procedure now and stuff. I wasn't tugging enough.
I just
wasn't
buffered
using
for a
enough.
moment. Oh my. No way, bro. This color is. Oh my god. So I've been trying to decide if I wanted the tint to stay on there, because I had to replace this taillight. I think I like it without the tint though, with this color. I think it just pops more with the color. Yeah, I'm just gonna roll out with the no tint for now. I think I'll take this. Oh, yeah, it's like that. Don't worry about it. What are you doing a different color? I love these headlights so much. Spec D is so nice. I love these so much. So this looks so cool.
When you drive down the street,
That shit is gonna be so crazy.
Dude, I'm not ready, bro. Oh my goodness. You might notice down here, it's not wrapped. We actually kind of ran out of material. But I'm gonna come back in another week or two. He ordered some more material for me, and we're gonna go ahead and finish those 2 spots up. I still gotta put my carbon mesh grill in there. Pops so much at night. Especially when it's dark and then you have like a specific light hitting on it. This color is like crazy. It's completely different in the day. As of now, she's fully wrapped and good to go. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I have so much content to bring you guys here in the near future, and I don't even know where to start yet, but definitely make sure you subscribe, and not only do that, but turn on your post notifications so you never miss a future upload on the channel. Also, again, huge shout out to John at Matter of Wrap for doing this amazing wrap job, and Zuri Customs, Amir. I hope everyone has an amazing rest of their day. I'll see you guys soon, but for now, signing off.